Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the snake force indicator for MT4. This visually dynamic tool uses a smooth snake-like line that changes color to show market momentum and potential trend reversals, making it easy to interpret direction at a glance. In this video you will see how the snake line works, how color changes signal momentum shift, and which trading applications are described. The Snake Force Indicator is a custom-built tool specifically designed for MT4 that combines elements of trend following and momentum detection, offering a versatile approach to technical analysis. The snake visual representation is created by a continuously moving line that reacts to price shifts, and its primary purpose is to highlight the direction of market movement, showing whether momentum favors bullish or bearish conditions. The indicator does not rely solely on price, but also factors in volatility and strength, and by smoothing out the noise of short-term fluctuations, it allows traders to focus on the broader picture. On the chart, the snake-like line moves fluidly and changes position according to shifts in market strength, offering traders a real-time visualization of momentum. In many versions, color changes signify shifts in market conditions, with a green line representing bullish momentum and red line indicating bearish momentum, making it easy for traders to spot changes without extensive interpretation. When the line trends upward, it signals that buyers are dominating, as you can see here and here, while a downward movement suggests stronger selling pressure, and the simplicity of this representation is one of its core strengths. Many versions of this indicator allow traders to adjust sensitivity, colors, and line thickness, helping tailor the tool to specific trading styles and personal preference. Whether applied to a 1 minute chart for scalping or a daily chart for swing trading, the snake force indicator maintains its effectiveness across different time frames. The smoothing mechanism helps filter out minor fluctuations during choppy markets, allowing traders to focus on significant shifts in market direction rather than short-term noise. The snake force indicator is suitable for both beginners who value straightforward tools and experienced traders who use it as a confirmation tool alongside other indicators such as moving averages, RSI, or MACD. Common strategies include trend following, where traders enter long positions when the snake line turns upward and shifts to a bullish color, or scalping on lower time frames by combining it with candlestick patterns or volume analysis. However, like many indicators that smooth out price data, it can lag behind real-time market moves, and in highly volatile or sideways markets, it may produce false signals or whipsaws, so it should not be used as a standalone strategy. You can download the Snake Force indicator for MT4 using the link in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek shows how the snake-like visual representation and color-coded design can simplify momentum analysis and trend identification. If you like visually distinctive momentum tools, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 indicator tutorials.